In game design, your code needs to remember things. Whether it's how much health a player has, the name of an item, or which way a door is swinging, we use variables to store that information. In Unreal Engine 5, blueprints use color-coded variables to make your life easier. Today, we're breaking down the essential types you'll use in your FE projects. 1. The logic and numbers. Boolean, red. First up is the Boolean. Think of this as a simple light switch. It is either true or false. Use this for checks like is the door locked or is player dead. Byte. A byte is a small whole number, 0 to 255. We don't use these as often as others, but they are great for enums, like a list of states, idle, walking, or running. Integer and integer 64. An integer is a whole number, no decimals allowed. This is your go-to for ammo counts or player score. If you're making a massive RPG and need a number bigger than 2 billion, you'd use integer 64. But for most college projects, the standard integer is king. 2. The text trio. Not all text is created equal in Unreal. We have 3 specific types. Name, the lightweight version, used for internal IDs, like identifying a specific bone on a character skeleton, or a tag on a wall. String, the flexible version. Use this if you need to manipulate text, like joining 2 words together, or displaying a cheat code in the console. The gold standard for players. Text is the only one that can be easily translated into different languages. If the player sees it on screen, like a quest log, use the text variable. Now let's talk about 3D space. These 3 work together to define where things are. A vector consists of 3 numbers, x, y, and z. It represents a location in the world or a direction. If you want to move a platform 500 units up, you're changing its vector. A rotator also has 3 numbers, but these control roll, pitch, and yaw. This is how we tell a wheel to spin, or a security camera to scan left and right. The transform is the big daddy. It's actually a container that holds a vector, location, a rotator, rotation, and another vector, scale, all in one neat package. Finally, we have the object reference. This isn't a number or a word. It's a pointer to something in your game. It could be a specific blueprint, a light, or a sound. If you want one blueprint to talk to another, you'll usually store that other blueprint as an object variable. Finally, we have the object reference. This isn't a number or a word. It's a pointer to something in your game. It could be a specific blueprint, a light, or a sound. If you want one blueprint to talk to another, you'll usually store that other blueprint as an object variable. Understanding these colors is like learning the alphabet of game logic. Check the assignment brief on Google Classroom. Your task is to create a player stats blueprint using at least 5 of these types. See you in the viewport.